I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and today is an exciting day because we have another brand new attachment with a twist. This attachment is called the Weedbine, and it is patented, exclusive to Ventrac, and it's a brand new technology, an application that has never existed in our industry before. What is the Weedbine? The Weedbine is mechanical weed control that eliminates the use of chemicals. In order to describe how the Weedbine works, I'm going to go back to my previous mention that it's a patented design. So the design is exclusive to Ventrac, but because it's patented, it has a very unique way of working. The attachment itself has two key components, a spinning brush and a spinning auger. That auger is metal with a bunch of different shapes and notches in it, and the brush nests together with the auger to let the turf grass pass through it in a very distinct way. It allows the desirable fine turf to flow through undamaged, but it grabs broadleaf weeds and crabgrass and damages that leaf matter. If you know anything about how those plants survive and regrow themselves, what you'll know is that they store energy in the form of carbohydrate in their roots. When you damage the leaves on a broadleaf weed, it uses that stored energy to regrow itself. But if you keep damaging it too many times, eventually it runs out of steam, it can't perform that regrowth anymore, and it gets crowded out by the desirable turf grass. So that's how this attachment works. You use this attachment prior to mowing on a weekly basis for a time period, and then you do it seasonally as needed. And as you do that, it starves all of those root systems and eventually starves the plant entirely of the weeds that you don't want in that stand of grass. At the end of that process, you end up with a mostly weed-free area, and you've done it without the application of chemicals, which means you don't have any of that residual chemical left over in the soil, and none of the toxicity for any people who would be on that area. So we do have a bunch of resources that we are hosting on our website that show you how to apply the Weedbine to your turf grass to get the most out of it. And then I've got a few key things to remember about how it works and how to use it in the real world. Firstly, the Weedbine is mainly suited for cool season grass. It works best anywhere between a height of cut of 2 and 5 inches, and that's how you need to think about adjusting the attachment. So it's got two height adjustments, it's tool-free. On the left and right side, you have to match them both. And what you'll do is match the attachment to the eventual cut height of the grass. So whether your grass is 4 inches or 4.5 inches or 4.2 inches, and you're gonna cut to 3.5, you'll set the Weedbine at 3.5. You'll go through that turf stand, and then after you do the Weedbine, you'll follow it with a mower deck at the desired cut height. You'll do this on a protocol, and you'll do this weekly or bi-weekly, whatever works best for you. And then over the course of a season, and then over the course of several years, you'll start to see that turf stand improve. That is the biggest caveat with this, is that this is not an instant magical piece that automatically removes all the weeds from your turf and you use it one day and the next day you're weed free. It is a process. So you'll see a slight improvement initially, and then as you use it, you'll start to see more and more of an improvement. Speaking of working in large areas, it's prudent to know that the working width on the Weedbine is 53 inches. So it's not something that you want to run duals with, and you do have to factor that in for how long it's going to take you to treat the areas that you're looking for. Operation for the Weedbine is very simple. The tractor needs no additional kits. All it does is connect to the machine and use the PTO on the front of the tractor. And while you're in operation, you'll want the attachment in float, and you'll also want the weight transfer setting at 0. The only other adjustment to make is the cut height adjustment, and that's simple to match with the two levers on the left and right side. After that, there's a minor adjustment that you can make to the brush so that the interface between the brush and the auger stays consistent, especially after the initial bedding in. That process is listed in the operator's manual and is pretty simple to follow as well. The application for this is one that I personally care about a lot, but it extends much further than that. We've got a lot of customers that are facing either current or potential chemical bans, and they're having a very hard time maintaining the weed pressure in their turf stands. And they're wondering, how are we going to take care of these areas? We're not going to do it by hand. Are we just going to have to let weeds overrun our turf stands? And this gives them an option to avoid that. And then beyond that, personally, I also have a need for something like this. Here's a fun fact about me. Aaron, the Ventrac guy, doesn't actually have the nicest yard in the neighborhood. Sorry. And a large part of that is because I refuse to treat it with chemicals and fertilizers. It's just something I don't want to do. I've got small children and pets that are out there that I don't want to give that exposure to. So my yard has suffered a little bit because I've just elected not to do those things. And now I have something that I will likely use a fair bit on my own property to really improve the look of it and be able to sleep easier at night because I'm not putting the chemicals on. Aside from all of that, chemicals aren't free either, and they're only getting more expensive. So even in places where there's not bans already in place or bans coming, the cost of chemicals is a factor. And once you have the Weedbine, you have it. It's only going to cost you the labor to run it, and it's an attachment that is pretty affordable for what you're getting done as a job. Of course, it wouldn't be a Ventrac video without talking about versatility of the tractor, and that's somewhat the point of this attachment. You can use this Weedbine, and then you can actually use the same tractor to mow after the fact. And then beyond that, of course, you can use it for blowers and trenchers and power rakes and everything else that you might need on a property for the maintenance. So having it on this platform out front of the machine makes a lot of sense. It's an attachment that couldn't be pulled behind a machine because it's really necessary to have that grass standing up as it goes through the unit. So again, perfect fit on a Ventrac, and we're happy to have it in our lineup. The 4 attachments that I would list that work best together in this package are the Weedbine, the finish mower, the aerator, and the core aerator. All of those attachments will come together to create a totally organic and beautiful looking green space. The Weedbine is available for launch now, and we'll put the price at launch here up on the screen. If you are visiting this video sometime in the future, then make sure to check out the Ventrac website for a current price on the unit. If you have any questions about the technicality of this or ordering it, reach out to your local Ventrac dealer, or you can leave a comment on this video and someone will get back to you. The Weedbine will begin shipping to customers in March of 2025. Thank you for watching this video on the Weedbine. I know I'm thrilled to have a brand new attachment that's totally exclusive to us and has never been seen in the market. It's a really cool application that maybe not everybody needs, but if you do need it, you really need it. And we're really excited to be able to sell this to people because it's going to help them with a problem that they have that is really not fixable with anything else. So thanks for watching. Check out more videos on the channel if you're interested in this attachment or anything else for the tractor, and we'll see you next time.